Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public buses in the USA. First, planning your trip is crucial for a smooth journey. Begin by researching bus routes and schedules using a transit app or the agency's website. Pinpoint your exact starting location and final destination, along with your preferred travel time. Always check for any service alerts or detours that might affect your route before heading out. This simple preparation saves time and avoids confusion. Next, let's talk about fares and payment. Most U.S. bus systems require exact cash fare, usually ranging from $1 to $3, so have small bills or coins ready. Many cities also offer reloadable transit cards, which can provide discounts and make boarding quicker. Additionally, some agencies now accept mobile payments through their smartphone apps, offering a modern and convenient option for your ride. Once you've planned your route and prepared your payment, it's time to wait and board. Arrive at your bus stop about 5 to 10 minutes before the scheduled arrival. When the bus approaches, confirm it's your correct route by checking the number and destination sign on the front. As it gets closer, extend your arm to signal the driver, ensuring they know you intend to board. This helps the driver see you clearly. Now that you're on board, let's cover riding and exiting. Find an available seat, or if standing, hold firmly onto a handrail for safety. Pay attention to stop announcements or keep an eye out for your destination. When you are about 1 block away from your stop, pull the signal cord or press the stop request button. This alerts the driver to stop at the next designated location, ensuring a smooth exit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.